Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to download, or rather how to use the Fibonacci Cluster Indicator for MT4. Okay, you're going to find the link to download the indicator in the description below. Once you have done that, you just have to proceed to the indicators folder. Make sure you have decompressed the folder that you downloaded from the description. After you have decompressed it, then just pick out the indicator file and you paste it in your indicators folder. Okay, after doing that, you head back to your navigator and just refresh your navigator. It's as easy as that. After refreshing, you should find your Fibonacci cluster indicator here. If you can't find it, you might just have to restart your terminal. Okay, so your Fibonacci cluster indicator, just drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then for your inputs, make sure that you are comfortable with the default settings. Okay, you can just use the default settings, it actually works fine. Click on OK. So what this indicator does is that it is designed to automatically detect and stack overlapping Fibonacci retracement and extension levels. All right, so as the name implies, Fibonacci cluster, so it helps you to automatically detect the clustering of Fibonacci levels. Okay, so it helps you to pinpoint strong confluence zones. You will notice that these levels that are being marked by the indicator are key levels that price tends to reject whenever it gets there, especially the ones that are thicker. You can see this one that is thick. You can see how many times price got rejected. You can see here, you can see, well, at this point, here again, here, and this is the 4-hour time frame, right? You can see here again. Then you can see this one, there was rejection at this point, rejection at this point, and here again, and here again. So these levels tend to be key levels where price rejects when it gets there. Okay, so the fainter the line, probably the weaker the level, right? But just take note that each line that is identified should be considered as, a possible rejection zone. All right, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers and God bless.